Hello, children. Look at the page. Matching capital letters with their corresponding small letters. Uppercase letters with the lowercase letters. Look, first letter capital Q. Join the points and write the letter. After writing the letter, we will look where small q is there. This is small q. Writing C first. Drawing a vertical line. Join both of them. Match both of them. Next, capital R. Join with its small r. Like that. First, write capital R by joining the dots given. Then small r by joining the dots given. Then match. Like that. Complete the page. Best of luck, sweethearts.